Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check in online with Wizz Air. This is a super convenient way to save time at the airport and get your boarding pass sorted before you even leave home. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website. You'll want to type in www.wizzair.com in your address bar. Once the homepage loads, scroll down until you spot the Help Center option and click on it. This is where Wizz Air houses all their customer support resources and guides. Inside the Help Center, look for a section called Check-in and Boarding and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page with all the information related to checking in for your flight. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various topics. Find check-in and boarding information and click it. Under that section, you'll see check-in, and beneath that, you'll find check-in process. Click on check-in process to access the detailed instructions. Here's where things get interesting. The check-in process page outlines everything you need to know about preparing for your flight. It explains that to board your flight, you need to check in online through their website, mobile app, or at the airport, and then print or download your boarding card. If you have checked baggage, you'll need to visit the baggage drop desk in advance. For non-EU travel documents, you must proceed to the check-in counter to have your documents verified and your boarding card stamped. Finally, you'll need to present your boarding card and travel documents at the gate no later than 30 minutes before departure. You'll notice there are several options available, including online check-in, mobile check-in, airport check-in, and auto check-in. For this tutorial, we're focusing on online check-in since it's the most convenient option for most travelers. Wizz Air's free online check-in service is accessible through their website or via your Wizz Air account on their mobile app. The check-in window opens 30 days before departure and closes 3 hours before if you've purchased a seat during booking. If you haven't pre-purchased a seat, check-in becomes available only 24 hours before departure. When you check in online, you can download and print your boarding card, access it anytime via the app, or save it to your phone's wallet for easy access. One important note, some airports don't support mobile boarding passes yet, so in those cases, you'll need to print your boarding card from wizzair.com. Also, if you're traveling with children under 14, they must be checked in by a passenger aged 16 or older. And if you're traveling within the Schengen area, you don't need to provide travel document details during online check-in. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to navigate Wizz Air's online check-in system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.